Hello, welcome to the ERLC tier list. Today we'll be rating ERLC cars. So first we have the van. The van is slow, but it carries a lot of people, and I feel like it's used a lot in like heist role plays. So I'm gonna put it in not bad, actually bad. It's slow, but I'm not putting it in very bad. This thing. I think it looks cool, so I'm gonna put it in good. And this is one of my cars I own in this game actually. It's very good at off-roading, so I'm gonna put it in good. This it's basically almost no one drives this in the game. I think you just use it in role plays. So then we got this truck. Like I said, it's only used in role plays, but sometimes it is used normally. I have this. I'm gonna put it in very maybe. I'm gonna put it in very bad because overall it's just a very bulky looking car. If you understand what I'm saying, and the price is so expensive. This is gonna have to go probably next to the bullhorn. This everyone knows as a drift car. It's it's cool. This I own this vehicle too. It is nice. It's not that bad. It's okay. We're gonna put in not bad for now. The Hummer, yeah, I gotta put in good. This, it's a starter car. That means it's free. But you get $50,000, and this is the slowest car in the game. Worst car ever. But yeah, if you want to spend your $50,000, I guess you can keep it. This vehicle. Did you know this is the most updated vehicle in the game? Well, if you didn't know that, well, yeah, that's it. This, I'm gonna put it in bad. It looks weird. The Jeep, it's cool. It's really nice. Actually, bad too. This luxury looking thing is very nice. I like it. So is this. This, it's good for getaways. So I put in good. This is just cool. And so is this. And this in good. This truck, I gotta put it in bad. This thing, I don't like the pink thing on it, but it's the one of the best cars in the game for off-roading. Crown Vic, no. This, I don't own it, but I've seen people driving it, and they get in. They're basically only wanted. This, I didn't even know you could buy this. This is like a cop car. I'm gonna put in. It looks nice. It has a good top speed. That's sick. I love that. This, it's good at off-roading. It looks cool on this, but it's not bad. This, it's very very easy maneuvering. I'm gonna put in not bad. This is nice. The sports car. This, I feel like it'll get recognized as a cop most of the time. Lamborghini. Now this is a rare car. This is good. Nope. Bugatti. I know people who drive this, or I've seen people drive this. they get in some pretty nasty situations. Let me show a picture on the screen right now. Yeah, a car is flipped over. That's probably because of its speed. I'm gonna put it in good since it's fast, it's expensive, and basically crashes happen. That okay, Velfred Everett. This it's a Prius. This used to be the fastest car in the game. What you saying? And that and this is I don't like it. So this is my tier list. If you like this type of content, like and yeah, like it and maybe leave a comment if you want to. But the people that have no account, I'm sorry. So yes, also yeah, this is the thing. ERLC Car tier list maker. I will put this in the link in the description. So yeah.